How to collect video reviews. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason and welcome to my Sendra.io tutorial for beginners. In it, I'll be showing you how to collect and showcase testimonials easily. A platform that makes it easy for persons to collect and manage and showcase testimonials with zero hassle. Also, full transparency, I'm an affiliate for Sendra, so if you use my link in the description to sign up, it supports the channel at no extra cost to you. And honestly, this is one of the cleanest and most beginner-friendly testimonial tools I've used. So to get started, you're going to go onto Sendra.io. From there, you're going to tap on Sign Up in the top right-hand corner. After tapping on Sign Up, from here, you can fill in your email address and you can create a password. Once you're finished doing that, all you'll need to do now is tap on Sign Up. After tapping on Sign Up, you can see right here, verify your email. So you'll simply go into your inbox and from there you can verify your email real quick. So let me do that. Once you have verified your email, you'll be redirected to a new page. So you'll tap on Confirm. After selecting Confirm, you can enter in your first name. Then once you have entered in your first name, you'll tap on Continue. Then what do you want to sell more of? So let's say, for example, I would like to sell more digital products or better yet coaching calls. I could select that and I'll tap on Continue. Then from here, you can paste in your website URL. So I quickly created this Shopify store so I can call it the Shopify store URL from left-hand menu option. So let me do that real quick by selecting online store. Then from there, I can quickly tap on the three dots right here and select preview. Then I'll just collect my URL by copying it. Then we'll go back into Sendra and I'm going to paste it right here. Now I'll tap on continue once more. After tapping on continue, you're going to give it a few seconds while it sets up your account. So once your account is up and running, you can see right here that you have numerous options. You can either select your widget option, which will allow you to embed it on your website. So you have different widgets as you can see right here. Or you could create a beautiful shareable animated video. So you can see the different templates that you can choose from. You can select whichever one of these options you like to use, or you can simply tap on continue at the bottom. After you have tapped on continue, from here you can see the different price points. Keep in mind we're going to be using the free plan, but you can see that their monthly plan begins at $29 per month and it can go up to $59 per month depending on the features that you want. So we're going to tap on continue for free. After selecting continue for free, from here you could go over to the left-hand menu option. And if it is a case that you would like to embed a widget, so let's say, for example, let's say you have collected a few reviews. Later on, you can tap on proof. You could select proof from the left-hand menu option. And then from there, you could select one of these widgets. But for this example, I'm going to be creating a form that I'm going to embed onto my Shopify store. So we're going to select forms. After selecting forms, from here, you can tap on edit. After selecting edit, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can see the different pages for the form. So we can start editing our form. So for instance, we can tap on the picture that is currently there. After selecting the pic, we could add a different picture. So you could go over to the right-hand menu option and you could upload an avatar. You could also change the logo that is currently there by selecting the current logo. And you could upload a logo. So I could select there and you could upload a logo, but I don't have any created at the moment. You can also change the primary color. So let's say we were to change that to a shade of yellow, as you can see right there. After doing that, you can scroll down. You can edit the text by selecting the text that is currently there. So this would be the page that persons will see if they have left a negative feedback. So this will be the page, so you can edit the message that you like to give them, and you can see the call to action. You can also edit it. By scrolling down, you can also edit the welcome page. So this will be the call to action page that will ask them to leave a testimonial. So you can edit this page if you want. And you can scroll down and you can see the different pages and you can ask different questions. And if you like to add more questions, you could tap on add question and you could ask more questions just like that. Once you're finished setting it up to your liking, you can tap on settings from the top navigation bar. If you like to auto transcribe the video testimonials, you can do that. If you like to auto approve testimonials, you can also do that. Once it is to your liking, you'll select preview. After selecting preview, so let's say for example, someone goes onto my website, leaves a 5-star review, taps on submit, then you will see the option send a testimonial. They can tap right there. Then from there, they can choose to either record a video or respond with a text. As you can see right there, it's as easy as that. And if we were to go back, so let's say I were to go back real quick. If we were to go back, and then let me tap on edit once more. If we were to tap on preview again, and let's say instead of a positive review, someone leaves a negative review, then taps on submit, you can see that they're redirected to this page. So from here, they'll be able to write their feedback, then they'll tap on submit. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on save and share in the top right hand corner. After tapping on save and share, you have a few options. You can either choose to send out this link by invite via email, or you can invite MailChimp subscribers, Kit subscribers. If you have an email list, you can send it out as you can see right there. Or you can simply tap on share the link and you'll be able to share it on your social media platform. Now I want to embed it on my website, so I'm going to select embed. After selecting embed, you can select the style that you'd like to use. Then you'll simply copy the code. And I'm going to go into Shopify, for example, and I'll just select customize. After selecting customize, I'm going to be adding it on my home page. So I'll go over to the left-hand menu option. And let's say, for example, let me move this real quick. I'll just tap on add section. And I'm going to add it right there. So I'll tap on custom liquid. And I'm just going to paste it in. And you can add this link on any website you want. So you can see how it looks right there. Once it has been added, you'll tap on save. So from now on, whenever someone visits my website, they'll be able to leave a feedback right there. And by the way, after they have left the feedback, you'll be able to view the feedback on Sendra. And from there, you'll be able to approve it or not. So this is the section where you'll be able to tap on testimonials and you'll be able to see the testimonials right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.